It's not loud. I'll distract the queen. Now!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Fight it! Don't listen to her! Shake it off!
I can't believe that worked! That thing has wings! Let's see if it can use them!
Go.
Here it comes! Is that all you got? Okay, time's up. Let's see if this works. Yeah, Bonwing! No!
Hiccup! Hiccup! Son! Son. I'm so sorry. He's alive! He's alive! Thank you.
Whoa. Okay. Hey, ToThis. Come on! Does my dad know you're here? Thanks, bud. ToThis, stay. Hold on tight, guys! Here we go! You rode a dragon?
Well, a few changes since you've been out.
I could get used to that.
There he is!
Okay.
Oh,
New leg is my handiwork.
You rebuilt it?
Yeah, I found your designs.
Ow!
That's for scaring me.
You wanna take it for a spin? It's not for the faint of heart. You'd have to be crazy to move here. Even crazier to stay. This is Burke. Any food that grows here is tough and tasteless. The only upsides are the pets. We have dragons!